of Jesus and his death at Calvary. It is observed as a Holy Week. It is also known as Holy Friday, Great Friday, and Black Friday.
However, despite being known as Good Friday, it is recommended not to wish people Happy Good Friday on this day. This day is considered as a day of mourning and penance. Let's see the story behind it.
Ago, Jesus visited Jerusalem. He told the people about the right and the wrong, about the good and the bad.
He became famous among the people as he did miracles and helped all of them a lot. He gave food to the needy. God has given us the life of a human being, so we must respect our birth. We must live in peace and in harmony. We must stop fighting among each other. Helping each other is the best act we can do in our life. So happily, we must do this act. Jesus, save my child. He is sick. Please help. Otherwise, he will die. Don't worry, my child. Let me check. Have faith in God. He will surely save your child. Jesus, you are the Son of God. You can only save us. We will follow the path told by you.
Being the God's son, Jesus had many enemies. One of his enemies was his own disciple named Judas.
Judas, you are my favorite disciple. Your love and faith have won my heart. Sir, I am blessed to have you as my teacher. But Judas indeed was jealous of Jesus. He wanted to snatch his fame and love. He wanted to get that honor that Jesus had. I really hate Jesus. I don't like him. I don't like that people believe in him. I want all the fame and honor. I will teach him a lesson. Why did you want to meet us, Judas? You are a disciple of Jesus and you don't like him at all. I was his disciple, but now I don't follow him. He helps people for free and does miracles. I can never take his place. He will continue to do so. Yes, I have heard that people assume him as their God, but we don't believe him. He is our enemy. People are following him and not us. He wants to become the king, and therefore we have thought to stop him anyhow. Judas, we need your help. Whatever help you want, I am ready to do. Hand over Jesus to us, and we will give you 30 silver pieces. Can you do it for us, Judas? Sure, it's a piece of cake for me to bring him here to you all.
One night, the disciples of Jesus arranged for a dinner. While everybody was enjoying dinner, Jesus announced,
This is my last supper with you all. Tomorrow I'll leave for a heavenly abode. I pray to God to give you wisdom and good health. Don't leave us, Jesus. Don't leave us. What will we do without you? By hearing the words of Jesus, Judas thought, if Jesus will leave tomorrow, then today only I have to inform the soldiers to arrest him. Otherwise, he will be out of my reach.
Judas quietly leaves the supper and informed the religious leaders about Jesus.
Sir, you all can quickly arrest Jesus. Otherwise, he will leave for his journey tomorrow. Thank you, Judas, for informing us. Now Jesus is in our clutches. We will make him a slave. Soldiers! 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 Go and arrest him. Bring him here to our gate. You are under arrest. Jesus, you are manipulating the people. Come with us. You will be punished for your deeds. Eventually on Friday, Jesus was captivated and was taken to the hell top by lashes throughout.
Jesus carried his own cross on his back. He was nailed to it and stood upright at the hill top.
Judas put the crown of nails on his head and buried him. Jesus was in immense pain. He was bleeding. Still he prayed to God, to Almighty, to forgive Judas and all others.
Father, please forgive them. They are unaware of their deeds. They are your children just like me. So please take care of them too. After saying this last line, Jesus went for heavenly abode as promised to his disciples.
This day, therefore, known as Good Friday, people gather in churches and pray. The decoration in the church is removed and no bell is rung on this day.
After 2 days on Sunday, Jesus took rebirth and appeared in front of his disciples. This day is celebrated as Easter Sunday. People rejoice this day by praying and eating delicious food. We must always remember that Jesus has not given his life for Christianity but for whole humanity. So it is our duty to follow his way to truth, love, right and wrong.
Now we are going to present a song based on Good Friday.